This video is about getting rid of the browser notifications that are associated with the site newsfupugo.com. Newsfupugo.com is a malicious site. It may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Newsfupugo.com basically tries to make people click on allow button, supposedly to help them prove that they are humans and not robots, but to click on allow is extremely dangerous. If you have done that, your browser would be hijacked with multiple advertisements. To deactivate them, access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay attention to all these websites that are allowed to send notifications and remove any malicious sites if you find them. Carefully, one by one, get rid of them. To be convinced that your computer is free of other threats, we recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start researching your device. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.